This is for the border. First you take out about 9 or 10 strands of thread. You must pull the thread very gently, otherwise it will not come out very easily. I will take out around 12 strands of thread. After you take out one or two strands, then it becomes easier to pull out the thread. This way we have to do this. Just pull out the thread very gently, only one strand at a time. Don't try to pull out 2 or 3 strands at the time. This way we will take out about 12 strands of thread. After taking out 12 strands of thread, I have taken a blue color thread. Take the needle below, say 6 or 7 strands of thread. Again go below the thread only and then do this. Again the same thing, 6 or 7 strands of thread. Again go below the thread and pick it up from here. Very easy to do but looks very nice. I am going to do this on both the sides. You may use the same color thread or a different color also. This way I am going to do it. For the other side also I am going to do the same thing. Pick up the needle from here. This side it becomes easier to do. You don't have to count the strands of thread for this side. The same thing for this side also. You may use a different color thread also. The same way. After completing this on both the sides, I will do this. I have done the first 3 using blue. The next 3 I am going to do using pink thread. Just pick it up from here. Take 3 at a time. Take the thread under this. Do it once more. Just pull it up. Take the needle to this pink thread. and pull this. That's how we will fix this. After that, take the thread around the needle 5 times. Just go down this through this thread and gently pull the needle down. And the same thing I am going to do it 3 times. Again, pull up the thread. Take the thread around the needle 5 times. Just put the needle down the thread. And gently pull the thread down. Just one more time I am going to do that. Three times, sorry, 5 times, and put the needle down. That's all. After that, bring the needle up from here. Again the same thing. Take the needle through this pink thread and pull the thread. Again 5 times and put the needle down. Just one more time. That's all. That's all. After completing this, you can secure the edge by doing buttonhole stitch. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.